Sunshine face, been chilling at the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go?
It's a new week, it's Sunday. I met up with my friend Ella and we got some sushi. Did I get any footage of the sushi? No, but I did get a photo of this cup. The whole time we were eating, Ella just expressed her admiration for this cup and I was like, okay, I'll take a picture. This is gonna be Ella's cup. It's test week. I have absolutely nothing else to do in this class. No more assignments, no nothing other than tests, and tests require me to go inside the school, inside the building, go to the school and do the thing. And if things go smoothly, this will be the last study vlog for this like little section of my life. Still have to do a class in July, but we're not there yet. We're just not there yet, okay. Hey, it's now Tuesday. I look phenomenal. Phenomenal. I'm honestly very frustrated with myself right now. So I could go in to do my tests Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Monday I was like, okay, let's just use this as a rest day because I'm pretty tired. And then today's Tuesday and I really wanted to go to school today so then I could go to school Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So then I'd have like, you know, a day in between as a break. I'm just disappointed in myself that I couldn't go today. I know in the back of my head that the sooner I get all this done, I'll be done. But in no way, shape, or form does that motivate me to get things done. Like, I'm not a to-do list, ticking the box off the list type of person. Like, it doesn't drive me, it doesn't motivate me. What motivates me is like what I'm actually doing. Like, I actually like doing the work if I enjoy the work that I'm doing. I like the process of it all. I don't really care for like before, middle, after. I don't know. I'm just frustrated with myself right now. At the end of the day, I can't do anything about today. I have to let it go. Also, side note, it is also just like really embarrassing. Like, what I have to do is not that deep and it's embarrassing that in a way I can't do it. Like, as of right now, like I just can't. I know this is annoying, so I'm sorry and I apologize, but let's hope I turn things around. No, I have to. Like, there's no freaking option. This week's the last week. I have to be finished by the 22nd. Today's the 14th.
Just anxiety. There's so much more than you will see. It's just anxiety.
3 hours. Let's do this.
I wish that you could see the one that I could be.
Your girl did one test. One test. It took close to 3 hours, honestly, but me just overthinking and reading things over too many times.
Son como las 2 de la mañana y no sé qué hacer. Recuerdo el sabor que dejaban tus labios.
It's Thursday. I'm up from my nap and I'm going to go to school again today. I'm so sorry if this vlog has been so boring. I really appreciate how y'all watch these videos and a lot of y'all like show support and I'm so very thankful and I don't want to produce boring stuff, but this is just my life right now. Yesterday I did the Unit 5 test, so the toughest test. I think today I want to do, it's basically from 1 to 5, it gets progressively harder and I did the hardest one and I was alright. I want to try and do 2 tests today. 4 might take a little longer, but 1 seems like very easy, so I feel like I can really grind that out in a short amount of time. The plan today, do number 4 and then number 1. Let's hope that needs to happen. So then on Saturday, I can do 2 and 3. I'm really hoping that happens. Please.
Me cuesta aceptarlo, pero bebé, tú lastimas. Es la verdad, baby, es la verdad. Me cuesta aceptarlo, pero tú a mí me lastimas.
Oh my gosh, y'all, I did it. I did 2 in 1 day. I did 2 in 1 day. I can't believe I did that.
Sunflowers in your hair. I thought that they were dead, so I took them off of your hair. Oh, it's nothing new to be close. close to you. Sunsets and medicine at the cross street by my door. Hey, sleepwalking in our neighborhood and saw some plants moving in the garden. Going crazy, but it don't mind. Then you said that it was alright. All you need is sun.
Here today, we're all getting it on a Saturday morning. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Y'all, we're done English. Wow, that is so wild. All I want to do now is call a friend and do something.
Don't go too fast, babe. I just wanna feel everything. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind.
I did it! It's done. School is not done yet, but English class is done. This English class is done. Look at this greenery. Nargis and I picked up some A&W. This is hers. And we're gonna chow down. What a beautiful day. We were gonna go on a hike, but it rained. So the mud's probably really intense and hiking just probably wasn't a good idea. Nargis also burnt her hand. It's gross.
Super